Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Knapke. Today we're going to be talking about money because you guys have a couple MobyMax assignments over it. So this video will definitely help you with how to solve problems with money and to know what coin is worth what. So right now, if you could, I would like you to go ahead and you'll pause the video and you'll grab these things. So first, I would like you to grab, if you have them at home, grab a bunch of coins and you'll put them in front of you like this. And I would like you to grab either a blank piece of notebook paper or a blank piece of paper with something to write with. Or instead of that, you can grab your dry erase sleeve that I gave you to use for spelling, to practice your spelling words. That way you can just practice and then you can erase it instead of having a whole bunch of notes on a regular piece of paper. So I would like you to grab some coins and your dry erase board with a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil. Go ahead and pause the video now, that way you can grab those supplies and we can practice. All right, we're going to start by talking about money. And the first coin I want you to grab in front of you is a coin that looks like this. So it's copper, so it's brown looking. It's like this. So this is the penny, and a penny is actually worth 1 cent. So this is what the front of the coin looks like, the head, and this is what the tail looks like. The penny is worth 1 cent. The next coin I want you to get out is this coin. It looks like this. It's silver. Here's the head and here's the tail. And if you notice, it's a little bit bigger than the penny. It is worth 5 cents, and it's called a nickel. So 5 pennies, since a penny is 1 cent, would equal 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. So 5 pennies equals 5 cents, which also equals a nickel. All right, the next coin I want you to get in front of you looks like this. It's silver. It is actually the smallest out of all of the coins, but that does not mean it's worth the least amount. So this coin is called a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 pennies would give you 10 cents, which would equal 1 dime. So this is a dime and it equals 10 cents. All right, and this last coin I want you to grab, it's the biggest. And there's one side and here's the other side. It's the biggest out of all the coins that we're going to talk about. It is called the quarter, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. Now in first grade, we're not going to be counting a lot of quarters, but I think it's really important because you use quarters a lot when you go out to buy things. Like if you go to a concession stand at a basketball game, or you go to the grocery store and want to buy something. So a quarter is really important to know, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. So actually, 25 pennies would give you the same amount as a quarter, which is 25 cents. All right, so this is our first video about identifying coins, and if you look at the next video that I post, we will talk about how to count different coins.